Today we'd be trekking through windy impenetrable forest, home to half of the world's population of highly endangered mountain gorillas. To help us find the gorilla troops, our trek leader was in constant communication with trackers deep in the forest.
We shall keep communicating with them, and for us we shall keep moving to the direction they are telling us to use.
After a strenuous 2 hours of trekking, I finally set eyes on my first gorilla.
Oh my God.
There's a gorilla. Oh my God, the baby doesn't look real.